Hi, my name is Donovan Carrillo. This is my presentation on my tool, Theatrical Spotlight, and I honestly couldn't do this without the help of our Professor Charles Kinter, so thank you very much. Really appreciate it. So to go ahead and start off, let's go ahead and just show what's going on in the scene. Simple plane, sphere, got a couple of nerve circles here. Let's go ahead and move on over so you can see it. Ta-da, lol. We got two spotlights. I went ahead and I set a color and an intensity. That's all I set to it. It's the standard cone angle, whatever they spawn with. The tool that we've made is Theatrical Spotlight, which will set an aim constraint and control the cone angle based on matrix math and positioning and the bounding box information of an object to keep a uniform, kind of encompassing circle around an object and give it kind of like the look of like someone on the tech side of a theater. Just controlling a spotlight and keeping focus on an object. So let's go ahead and get into it using 3 different scripts that I have outlined in the documentation for this, showing how to install and get this all running. I can select all objects that I want to be maybe not even like involved in the scene, like the nerve circles. You can't focus on a circle because you can't see it. Let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. Running everything, we're going to go ahead and update it. Probably should have done this before the presentation, but that's fine. Go ahead and give us our window. Radius buffer, let's add 2 degrees to it and just set the default weight of 1 for an aim constraint. Create, run the program. Alright, so there we go. Let's drop this. As you can tell now, the spotlights have moved. I'm going to go ahead and just throw up a Arnold Runner viewer for us to go ahead and see this. Oh, thank you. Graphics card does not like me running OBS on top of all this. So if we move this around, the aim constraint moves the spotlights with the object, aims at it. Let's go and start running this so you can see. But now with the Theatrical Spotlight, it runs like crap on my graphics card. But you can see if you look in the Arnold Render viewer down here in the bottom right, the circles stay relatively the same size to the sphere as it moves up, down, left, right. But let's go ahead and just morph this. Let's go ahead and change this on the y-axis. Circles stay the same. Maybe stretch it out on all axes. Spotlight grows with it. And just really easily it can be done with this. For the moment, it can only focus on one object at a time when you run the program. But if you want to customize a custom node, I have documented it in the documentation on how to plug in multiple objects into the bounding box information and actually get the circle moving with it. You can actually see here, where are we? Windows, node editor. Sorry, I'm terrible with Maya. We have made a custom node called camera angle calculator, or calc for short. It takes in information and just puts out a raw cone angle. It's very nice, very tasty, and works to my liking. Hi, my roommate came in and started talking to me. It was very cool. Nice for the presentation. But yeah, I really enjoyed this class, and thank you so much. I'm really happy with this tool. Very epic. Thank you.